my gosh! I'm late! Uh-oh! That's better. Yes. Why is Audrey calling?
Hurry up, Alexander. You're gonna be late for the big event.
Hey guys, I gotta go.
Hey guys, today we have a huge announcement for you guys. Me and Alexander are going to CVX Live 2019. For all you guys that don't know what that is, it's basically a huge YouTuber convention. We didn't get here by ourselves. It was from all help from you guys, and there's awesome collabs that we did. So the first one we did was with Ninja Kids TV.
We played Butch and Cassidy in Ninja Kids TV's version of a Bakugan series, and it was really cool because we got to go to their house. We got to go on top of this really windy hill, and there was just a bunch of crazy places we had to film, and it was really cool seeing the behind the scenes of when they do the martial arts. It was really cool. Also, we did another collab with Working with Lemons.
So what we did with Working with Lemons was we filmed our video first over at Darkside, shout out to Darkside, and we basically just suck them in and we do this cool Nerf battle video with all these zombies, and then we filmed their video down at a park, and we just kick their butts, but then they step it up and kick our butts. So all the links will be in the description to go watch their videos. And the last but not least collab that we did was with Karla Hernandez.
Karla was playing a babysitter role that came over, and we pulled a bunch of pranks on her, and at the end she fell in the pool, and that video was crazy to make. It was really fun, so go check out that video on our channel. And also Karla's daughter filmed a behind the scenes, and it was actually really funny to be there and just to film everything.
We also did a different kind of unique video with EJ Fun Kids. Shout out to Ethan and Elijah for doing that, our friends down in California. And we just want to thank all of our collabs that helping us grow and just spreading the love. Last but not least, the most important, you guys, our fans. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and just sticking with us and giving all those positive comments. You've really helped us grow, and we just love you guys so much. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, so you guys can be notified whenever we do collabs in the future. We got a lot of stuff coming up that's like really cool. So make sure you stay tuned. Team Buckle Chuckle!
Don't forget that CVX Live 2019 is held in Provo, Utah on September 20th and 21st. We're going to be having a booth there, we'll be signing autographs, and most importantly, we're going to be launching Buckle Chuckle merch.
Yeah!
So make sure you guys come, get your tickets now at CVXLive.com, and we hope to see you there.